Okay, boys and girls, so we are going to be reading some more words that have two syllables. So make sure you have your syllaboards and your marker and something to erase with. All right, boys and girls, I am going to go ahead and teach this lesson, but I want you, before I do the explanation, I want you to go ahead and I want you to break up your word and see if you can read it all by yourself. So let's look at our first word. All right, boys and girls, let's talk for just a minute. Remember the few questions we always ask ourselves. Number 1, how many vowels, or what are the vowels? You're right, A and I. Ooh, so our next question, are those vowels next to each other? Nope, they're not. So how many syllaboards are you going to need? You're right, you need 2 syllaboards because there are 2 syllables. All right, boys and girls, I want you to pause this video, put your vowels on different syllaboards, bring down those consonants, and then I want you to read that word and then we'll check it together. Start the video once you've finished. Boys and girls, did you get this word read? All right, let's check and see. Did you put the A and the I on different cards? Ooh, and then you brought down your consonants. You put the R and the D around the A, and then you put that digraph sh after. So you knew both of these were closed syllables because the vowel is closed in by a consonant. So did you read this word? Did you sound out ad, rad, ish, ish? Rad-ish, radish. Did you get that that was a radish? I like to eat a radish from the garden. All right, let's try our next one. Ooh, let's talk. What vowels do you see? Ooh, you're right, A and I. Are those vowels next to each other? You're right, they're not. So how many syllables are in this word? You're right, there are 2, so I need 2 syllaboards. Pause this video, get that word read, and then start it up again. Are you guys ready to check? Here we go. I'm going to put my A and I right in the middle of my syllaboards. Next, I'm going to bring down my consonants to close in my vowels. So I know since these vowels are closed in, they're both going to say their short sound. N-ap, nap, k-in, kin, napkin, napkin. Use your napkin to wipe your face. Oh, great job, boys and girls. Here's our next word. So let's look. Do you see the vowels? Ooh, I see A and I. Are A and I right next to each other? You're right, they're not. So how many syllables are going to be in this word? You're right, 2 syllables. So I need 2 syllaboards. Pause the video, read this word, and then come back to check. Did you get this word read, boys and girls? Nice job. All right, so I'm going to put the A and I in the middle of my syllaboards. Bring down my consonants. Are both vowels closed in? Oh, you're correct. They're both closed. So what does that mean the vowel is going to say on both of these? The short sound. Let's sound it out. Ab, rab, b, it, bit, rabbit, rabbit. Rabbit, I saw a rabbit hopping. Boys and girls, awesome job. All right, now we're going to actually read some wacky words that have 2 syllables in them. All right, boys and girls, how many vowels do you see? Ooh, you're right. You see an A and a U. Nice job. Is the A and the U next to each other? You're right, they're not. So how many syllables do I have? 2, so I need 2 syllables. All right, pause this video, get this word read. Did you guys get this word read? Did you put the A and the U in the middle of your syllaboards? Bring down those vowels. We know since these are closed in, they're going to say their short sound. So I see k, ad, cad, put, cadput, cadput. Man, that's a wacky word. Let's try our last one. What vowels do you see? I and A. Nice job. Are I and A next to each other? They're not. How many syllaboards will you need? You're right, you need 2 syllaboards. All right, pause this video, get this word read. All right, boys and girls, let's check. Did you put the I and A in the middle? Did you bring down your consonants? Were both consonants closed, or were both vowels closed in with a consonant? You're right, so we know I and A are both going to say their short sound. Let's sound out this word. In, fin, b, ap, bap, fin, bap, fin, bap. Oh man, that was a crazy word. Boys and girls, you did an awesome job of reading these 2-syllable words. Have a great day.